Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Burlington, we have the 2021 Porsche Panamera 4SE Hybrid. Powered by the 2.9 liter twin turbo V6, made it to the E machine. That's pretty good, pretty clever name. 552 horsepower, 553 pound-feet of torque. Finished here black over black and Luxor beige. Total price of $124,400. Pretty impressive. First time driving an e-hybrid Panamera. Oh wow, look at that. What a machine. Oh, you can it cleans the cameras? That's awesome. Let's take this thing for a drive, because that's a lot better. I'm trying to think. I've driven a Panamera 4, the wagon, not an S, not an E-hybrid. I've never driven a hybrid Porsche. I've driven the Taycan Turbo. You know what? You're gonna just be sitting there. I'm gonna go out this way. I'm gonna go out the inn. Just all the materials in here are top notch. I love Porsche. I'm a Porsche-phile. A lot of people don't really know, they don't talk about the Panamera much anymore, especially with the arrival of the Taycan. Even though the Taycan's not replacing the Panamera, everybody's thinking about the Taycan. We are in Sport Plus mode. I'll also go into Sport Response. You know, with the radio off, the turbos sound phenomenal. So, Sport Response mode, that's going to make everything as responsive as possible. To access it, this drive mode selector, you push the button there, goes into Sport Response. This is where you change, go to Sport, Hybrid. Basically delivers as much power as it can. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. Best part is, now I'm in e-power mode. This is pure electric. This is the Panamera Taycan conversion. kind of weird to be on the highway having your RPMs at 0. Can you do manual mode with e-power? No, not really. Wait, yeah, you can. Oh, no, you can't. Must be an accident because it was not this bad in the first round. Go into hybrid mode based on your inputs. Porsche, man. Can you, like, make a bad car? I don't even know if they can. Every single Porsche I've driven, I've loved. What a machine. So this is not a PDK, this is a torque converter. But, I mean, come on. There's so much leg room in here too. I mean, this is... This is a proper car, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.